This is gonna scare the shit out of
Put on
us.
your fucking jacket,
We
Vito.
pride.
Do it.
No, the we pride.
You're gonna blend in with
We pride, yes! He's gonna be a snow ninja!
Oh man, wave dash.
Wave dash! Yes!
Hey, over my shoes.
Oh, well that was.
I immediately regret that decision.
That's distracting. You can moonwalk so much better now.
You're too close! Oh my god!
You're smart. He's short hopping. You want to take my jacket? I need an extra jacket.
No, I'm good.
You need an extra jacket.
No, I
Put on
don't.
your damn
Yes, you
Put on
do!
your damn coat, Nito.
He's moonwalking.
We have the moonwalkers!
Come on, agents can.
Wait, where are we going to? The other end of the campus?
Yeah.
Oh, because we could have walked through the building for this.
Yeah, I know, like the catwalk, but it's more fun this way. It's preparing us for the cold.
Yeah, this is a practice.
And just in case, I got night vision on this bitch.
This is like that first boss battle in Final Fantasy that's not really hard and requires no strategy. But then you get to the next one and you're fucked.
Aw, shit. Okay, guys, I got 82 minutes on this thing.
Man, that was like
Battery life.
halfway there. The camera and be like,
Yes.
man, those poor guys.
Oh wow.
The horror. The horror.
Oh no!
You just watch the moon go down. You get more and more discouraged. Yeah, I need to post this on 4chan.
I'm good. I've had my foot on, right? That's
I found this videotape. Where can I find more of that naked Asian?
There'll be a website. More frozen Asian.
Oh no, you guys, you know this. Oh wait, never mind. Oh my god, the snow.
I just swallowed a bunch of fucking snow.
If you get thirsty, open your mouth and the snow will melt in your mouth.
Get thirsty, open your mouth and more snow than your body has room for.
Ah! Oh my god, I'm Frosty the Snowman. Oh, soon will be.
Ah, it hurts.
What hurts?
The snow in my eyes.
How you feel now?
The goggles do nothing.
Oh my god! Epic snow stairs. We must go on without you.
Go on. You can't be safe.
No! Crash.
Back away slowly.
Just epic zoom. No, okay. Come on, little snow ninja! We must traverse. Ah, crap! Why are you so fast?
No!
No, you have stolen my ideas! Ah!
Dude, I'm doing a snowball fight with Ninja. Down me!
Yep.
Ah, it's cold.
Twa!
Show me your moves. Oh god, snow's getting inside my scarf.
Snow's getting inside my shirt.
I have a very cold neck. Usually my scarf is very misty. Apparently not today. Fucking pervert
Snow stairs.
gets everywhere on my body.
It's perverts enough. Try to get under your clothes.
Holy shit, we're in traffic already.
Yes, lots of people.
Oh my
Walk
god.
along this line till we find Justin's car.
Yeah!
That'll be awesome.
Justin, honk if you can see me.
Like Justin, that like we'll give him steps for a ride. By we I mean.
The traps will give him what he needs most. Snow!
Jackie, you have to walk behind him.
We're moving faster than all of those parked cars. Yay!
Oh, there's already an accident.
Oh no!
Their lights flashing like that.
Oh my god, blue slug bug!
Oh, that's so awesome.
Blue slug bug, don't push back, blue slug bug, don't push back.
Oh my god.
Who wants
that's
to take that
sexy.
car?
I do,
Sexy.
I want.
I do, but there's traffic.
My bug won.
Oh my god.
Win.
What?
My bug number one.
My very first bug.
Car again?
It's a black Volvo.
Because if I see it, I'm so running up to it and banging on the window.
Oh no.
I love how I've been in the car like 40 times.
Oh shit!
What happened? Mind games.
Mind games.
Oh! I can run circles around these cars all day.
Oh man. We're faster than the traffic.
Oh no!
How's it going?
Yeah!
See you.
Hi!
Yeah, I know.
Traffics!
I wrote everything's like white.
Faster than a parked car.
I feel like Superman.
There's the 8. You guys, if we get on the 8, we can kind of get to the station. You guys, if we get on the 8, we can kind of get to the station. But like not walking, but I don't know how long it'll take. And what direction it is going in. Oh wait, no, traffic.
That 8 is parked.
It is?
Yeah,
I don't know.
It is.
Well, it's as good as parked.